how to create realistic AI people using Sora AI. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For making elastic AI people, you need to get help from ChatGPT. So we will simply go to ChatGPT. Once we go to ChatGPT, open new chat. Now here you guys will simply tell your idea. And after that, you will tell ChatGPT that I want to create elastic people using Sora AI. So you need to make sure that to write the best prompt using my idea. After that, once you tell that to ChatGPT, ChatGPT will give you perfect prompt. So simply copy that prompt. And also that go to your browser and open Sora AI. So let's wait for some second. Once you open Sora AI, you guys will see that type of interface. Here you guys will simply click on plus icon. Now you would paste your that prompt, and once you paste, you simply click on that arrow, and your video generation would be started. And once you use the nature, you guys can watch it and download it. So that's how you guys can create elastic people using Sora AI. Thanks for watching.